Hi guys, today I'm back and I haven't been streaming for a while, so yeah. So the reason I'm here because I need something new. I'm on the boat with my sister and brother. My sister's crying.
Be quiet if I whip your ass.
Okay, I don't want to show you the seas up there. Oh, it's really dark in here, but I don't want to show you the seas up there. I want to show you from here. So right now it's dirty. Fine, you guys keep on saying, let's see the seas from up there. Here it is. Look at that ocean. So we're gonna get a view of this tour. Oh, dang. The fan. I can't get off. Okay. So first is that. Yeah, I can't cross. Okay. Okay, there. So next thing is this. Say hi! Say hi!
What?
Then we have the food area.
Take this off.
I'm going to show you the bathroom. That's the weird part. Guess what? I'm done with me.
Right there, man. How many times do I have to explain the same thing to you, man? Hey.
I'm gonna try the boat. So this is when you close it in the back. Oh, there's a bee here.
Still got Detroit Lions home opener tickets coming up in about 15 minutes. But
Hey, can I have some Doritos?
To Las Vegas and $1,000 spending money. I don't know who you gonna take, what you gonna do with the money, that's up to you. But here's the nationwide keyword from Club Echelon and 97.9 WJLB. Text this hour's keyword is key, K-E-Y.
Thank you guys so much for
200,
watching.
200. You'll get a confirmation
like,
text confirming entry plus some iHeartRadio
make sure to
info.
subscribe,
Data and
like,
message rates to apply in this nationwide contest.
and
Once
click the
again,
bell
free trip to Vegas
so you never
and
miss a video.
$1,000. You need that, right?
Give a comment
I wish I could win, but I work here. Text the keyword.